I'll show you how to show bullet points in PowerPoint in a sequence with every keystroke, just like this. Let's go back to PowerPoint. Let's make a new slide. I simply type title and we type 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I now present this slide, it simply appears all at once. To make this happen better, just go on one line, on the first line, and don't mark every line. It doesn't work if you mark every line. Go to animation and click on appear. And now you can present this slide. Click one key, next key, next key, next key, and it appears all in sequence with every keystroke. That's all. If you want to have more videos on English, even with my Black Forest English, please leave me a comment. I'm happy about a like. Goodbye.